Hi, this is Raju again here. Welcome to the video tutorial series. In this video, I'll walk you through the process of obtaining the goods forwarding note and the preparation of GC note for 7C parcel service. That is the hardcore transport business or booking of consignments under GC note, both for paid bookings and to pay bookings. Let's go and first open up the module for the GC Freight Master Calculator for 7C GC and paid GC paid into their bookings. Now let's go through a set of forwarding notes received from a client. We'll first go through one set initially. Now let's say a client ABC Limited in Erode has given you a booking to Trichy meant for a consignee XYZ Limited at Trichy and has booked it as with pass, and he wants the booking to be made as with pass. He has given you 20 articles, actual weight is 200 kgs, valued at 66,000 rupees, and he wants the consignment to be booked on paid basis. He has given the forwarding note, goods forwarding note filled up with all the relevant particulars. The booking office has received the goods forwarding note, verified it, weighed the consignment, and he has noted that it is bulky in nature. That means you will have to use the multiplying factor 2 to arrive at the correct charged weight. Now let's see the GC note when you first prepare this. When you receive the goods forwarding note, you will have to allocate this GC note number 172900001. Since it is a paid consignment, you will have the series starting from 9 after the booking code of 172 and for Erode. Now you have entered the details in the GC note as per the goods forwarding note. That is the name of the consignor with the telephone number, name of the consignee with the telephone number, and is indicated here as with pass, number of articles 20, description is auto spares, 200 kg actual weight, and it is bulky, and it is a 7C booking. The value has been mentioned here as 66,000 rupees. From Erode 172 code, and to Trichy TRICEN is the abbreviation code, and 807 is the station code. Now let's go back to the module and see how these things appear here. Let's go down to Erode. Since the booking is from Erode, we'll have to select Erode as our booking station. As meant for which station? Trichy. Scroll down to Trichy. Okay, the moment you hit Trichy, you get the station code 807 and the abbreviation code is TRICEN. You go to the GC note, these are the figures you have right here, Trichy TRICEN 807. Now, what should be the charged weight and what are the charges that you have to mention here? To know that, we'll have to go back to the module and enter the number of particles, the actual weight, and all the other particulars in the yellow cells here. Actual weight, if you see the GC note, actual weight is 200 and it is bulky. Actual weight is 200, so we mark 200 here. It is bulky, so we'll have to use the multiplying factor in 2. So when making it As a bulky material, the charge weight comes to 400. How many articles he is given? Now let's take a look at the GC note. He is given 20 articles. So we write here 20 articles. With pass, yes. No door delivery charge, no door collection because customer has come to the booking office and tendered the booking and he wants the material to be office delivery. So there will be no door delivery, door collection. What is the value of the material? If you take the forwarding note or the GC note, you will see that it is the value mentioned here is 66,000. So come back to the module and enter 66,000 here and hit enter. Moment you hit enter, all the other second part of the fields, everything is coming up in black. That means this booking is all right. It's a direct dispatch, so there is no transshipment. That means E-Road can directly send it to Trichy. With past 10 rupees shows up here, 70,000 rupees, 66,000 rupees is value, it comes under a slab of 70,000. So 70 rupees will be the surcharge. Now these will be the rates that you have to apply in the GC note, totaling to 441. So let's see the GC note now. The second part of the GC note, 441 is the total amount here with the breakup of the freight 208.64. Let's see whether it is correct. 208 and 64. 18 is the statistical charge. Surcharge is 62 rupees and value surcharge is 70 rupees. 62 rupees surcharge and value is 70 rupees. AOC is printed 9 rupees. Since it is a direct dispatch, there is no transshipment, there is no door delivery, therefore it is 0. There is no door collection, therefore it is 0. And with pass it is 10 rupees. And since the subtotal is less than 750, there will not be any service tax. Here the total amount what you have to think is 441. This is how you fill up the GC note based on the master calculator you have. Now let's go to a second example. This is the forwarding note, again booking from E-Road meant for Salem. It is the same party who has given a material from E-Road to Salem. This is also made with pass with 10 articles, actual weight 54 kgs and value of 25,000. Again a paid consignment. Auto spares. The office has received the booking, received the goods forwarding note, verified it, and also the payment has been certified by the person who has done it. Now we'll have to allocate the GC note number for this particular goods forwarding note. So let's take the goods forwarding note is 172-900-0002. This is the GC note number. You have already filled up the particulars as per the details given in the goods forwarding note from E-Road 172. Here the consigner details have been filled in along with the telephone number. Consignee details have been filled in along with the telephone number and with pass. 10 articles, 54 is the actual weight and 7C is the booking rate. Value is 28,000 and the date of booking is 25. Now to fill in the rest of the particulars in the GC note, let's go to the module. Here this consignment is again from E-Road, but it's not meant for Trichy, it is meant for Salem. The Salem delivery station code is 528 and the delivery station abbreviation is SAL NBS. So let us see the second part of this. So Salem NBS 528 is the station code. Value is 28,000 rupees and data booking is 25. Now let's go back to the module here. Here it is asking for the actual weight. So what is the actual weight? Actual weight is 54. So enter 54 here. Is it bulky in nature? It's not bulky in nature, so the multiplying factor will be 1. So 54 kgs charge weight comes to 55 kgs. Number of particles are 10. Change this figure from 20 to 10. It's a with pass consignment, yes. There is no door delivery, there is no door collection. And what is the value of the consignment? The value of the consignment is 28,000. The moment you hit 28,000, you gets into the slab of 30,000 rupees and the value surcharge is 30 rupees. And these are the rates that you need to charge in the GC note, totaling to 98 rupees. So let's take a look at the GC note. 98 rupees is the amount, is the total amount here, with a breakup of 17 rupees as basic freight and 9 rupees as hamali. Let's see these figures here. 17 rupees basic freight, 9 rupees hamali, 18 is the printed statistical charge, 5 rupees is the surcharge, and 30 rupees is the value surcharge. 5 rupees is the surcharge and 30 rupees is the value surcharge. Again 9 is the AOC, which is again printed. Since it's a direct dispatch, if you look at the module here, E-Road to Salem shows a direct dispatch, there is no transshipment. Therefore, transshipment charges are not applied, it is shown as 0. There is no door delivery, there is no door collection, and therefore all these three figures are shown as 0. Since the amount is less than 750 rupees, there will be no service tax, and therefore service tax has been made as 0, totaling to 98 rupees. This is how easy, you can see how easy it has become to make your GC notes with the help of this GC Freight Master Calculator. Excellent module for all of you, so that you will be able to write down the accurate rates. I hope this will be useful to you in preparing the GC notes and ensure that there are no mistakes in the rates that are being charged and in the station codes and the abbreviation codes that are being written in the GC notes. Thank you.